Good morning to all of you. So, in last couple of videos, I have discussed about quinolones. In quinolones, I have already covered about the generals introductions about the quinolones as well as fluoroquinolones. We have also covered about the mechanism of actions of quinolones and fluoroquinolones. In this video, I am going to discuss about clinical uses, clinical uses, ADRs, and contraindications of fluoroquinolones. Contraindications of fluoroquinolones. So, clinical uses of fluoroquinolone, as I told in previous video also, these are the agents. Initially, they are used for gram-negative bacterial infections only, but after uh, modifications in the structures of quinolones, the modified quinolones, first generation, second generation, and third and fourth generations are becomes very broad spectrum antibacterial agents. Broad spectrum means they are effective against both gram positive as well as gram negative. They are effective against aerobes as well as anaerobic bacterials also. So these agents are available in the market. In the oral formulations are available, as well as parenteral formulations are available, and ophthalmic formulations are also available. These fluoroquinolones are used against pseudomonas infections. Pseudomonas infections. They are second generations fluoroquinolones like your ciprofloxacins or ofloxacins. Ofloxacins. Ciprofloxacin is the drug of choice for anthrax. They are also useful for the gonorrhea. They are also used for the UTI infections. So these agents have a wide variety of use. What problems with fluoroquinolone is its ADR, as well as major problems. The emerging problems with fluoroquinolone is its resistance. Resistance is the major problems which are arising nowadays regarding the use of fluoroquinolones. As I told you in the mechanism, these are acting on the DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4 and inhibit the nucleic acid synthesis and inhibit the DNA replication. So there is a mutations is the one of the resistance mechanism by which these fluoroquinolones are showing the resistance. That microorganism bacteria are showing the resistance against fluoroquinolones. Adverse drug reactions. There are various adverse drug reactions associated with the use of fluoroquinolone. GI distress. There are headache, dizziness. Major specific ADRs with fluoroquinolone is cartilage problems, tendon rupture. These are the rare but serious ADRs with fluoroquinolones. They increase the QTC interval increase. They some fluoroquinolone leads to phototoxicity also. So these ADRs are particularly FDA are analyzing its database. FDA database is well-known database. FDA has, that is the FAERS, that is the FAERS, that is the FDA adverse event. F, uh, FDA adverse event. E is for event, R is for reporting, S is for system. This is the FDA adverse event reporting systems. In that reporting systems database, it is actually in this database all the ADRs related to drug has been reported, and all the data regarding the ADRs of all the drugs which are available in the market is available in this database, and time to time FDA review that database for the causality assessments, and on the basis of causality assessments FDA is giving the recommendations or warning related to the marketed products. So related to fluoroquinolones, FDA has given the warning time to time related to its ADR. In 2008 FDA has given the warning of tendinitis and tendon rupture with the use of fluoroquinolones. After that, in 2013, FDA has also given the warning of peripheral neuropathy with the use of fluoroquinolones. In 2016, FDA has restricted the use of fluoroquinolones in uncomplicated ADRs, in uncomplicated infection, not ADR, sorry, in uncomplicated infections. In July 2016, this is in May 2016. In July 2016, again FDA has given the warning regarding the use of fluoroquinolones, that is your irreversible ADRs of tendons, that are ADRs are rare but serious. In 2018, FDA has also given the warning of, particularly they have given the warning of aortic problems with decreased glucose, blood sugar, mental health problems with the use of fluoroquinolones. These risk of rupture, in 2018 again FDA has given serious events of rupture and tear in main artery of aorta. So these are the various ADRs associated with use of fluoroquinolones, and contraindications are, these drugs are contraindicated due to tendon ruptures. They are contraindicated in, avoided in a children less than 18 year of old. Children less than 18 years of old, these drugs are restricted. They are restricted in pregnancy also, restricted in epilepsy also. So these are some contraindications where drugs, and after giving this main artery of aorta, these drugs should be used very cautiously in particularly the patients of aortic aneurysm, aneurysm, aneurysm. So this is all about fluoroquinolones, clinical uses, ADRs, as well as contraindication. Thank you.